Got a switch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we got some side part swoop action with a little modesty in the back. So as I mentioned, I was just gonna keep this style very simple, a nice side part swoop, but it's something about tying this piece to the back as well that just kind of makes me want to wear a dress. Like, it just makes me want to get cute. Regular side part gives me I'm about to put on a badass jumpsuit or something real sexy, sleek, but when I put this back, it just gives me a little bit more classy for some reason. I don't know y'all. I kind of just winged it and thought about the style. I'm like, let me just do that. So I actually thought of that off the top. Not saying I invented it for all the girls who want to try to be funny. Like, I ain't say all that, but I did think about it off the top of my head, so I just did it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. the final look, and this is so cute. I was actually just gonna do a swoop by itself and just let this part do what it did, but something just made me want to put it back, and I'm like, oh, this is actually really cute. Now what I would have done different to keep your swoop actually like secure, I would tie it to a piece in the back with the rubber band, the arrogant tay technique or whatever the case may be, because it works and it holds and your swoop will not move. But I just decided to put it in the rubber band on the top and just kind of let it rock out like that. But if you want your swoop secure, you better take it, join it with another piece in the back, rubber band it real tight. Your swoop would never move, because you know, back in the days when we used to do like swoops and stuff like that, it was just a little weird keeping your swoop exactly where you put it, because depending on how you tuck it and tie it, sometimes it drops, sometimes it just moves too much, and we just need to secure. So that's the only thing I would do different if I felt like it was necessary. Other than that, the only issue I felt like I ran into was I feel like the wig was a little bit big for me. So when the wig is big, your lace just might ripple, and that's everybody's worst fear when wearing wigs. So you gotta know how to adjust your wig and try to avoid these type of things, whether you gotta lift it up in the back and just have it sit flat on your head and kind of like make it work. Whatever you could do, gotta try it. But that's the only issue I already ran into. But other than that, how do y'all like the style? Y'all know me, I'm always gonna bump my ends, so I had to make sure they was bumped. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So let me know what y'all think about this look. Click that like button if you like. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from Ma. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a switch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.